Welcome back to Endless Guides. This video is a complete beginner's guide on how to use Pinterest. So let's begin. Pinterest is a visual discovery and bookmarking platform that allows users to discover, save, and organize ideas and inspiration through images and videos. Now, you see, you have plenty of options for you to create your account here. You can use your business, your personal, or your working email address. You can also simply continue with your Facebook or continue with Google. Now, let me tell you, Pinterest is a fantastic tool for discovering and organizing ideas on various topics. Like, for example, if you wanted to American recipe, all right? Or like maybe home decor. So there's a lot that you can explore, especially if you are new to Pinterest, all right? Now, you see, after creating your account, you need to understand the interface. The home feed, this is where you will see your pins. Pins includes images or videos based on your interests, the accounts you follow, and the categories you have explored. For example, the pattern basket. If you wanted to create this as a pin, we have a separate video for that. Basically, you can simply click on like, all right? And you can simply have the option on the upper right corner to report pin, download image, and copy link. So there's a lot that you can explore. The search bar at the bottom is used to search for pins, boards, and account that is related to your interests. Like earlier, we were searching for the European home decor and American recipes. Now, for example, if we're looking for travel, Norway vlogs, is it? Or videos? So this is where you look for it. Now, the message here are for your recent interaction with co-fellow Pinterest platform users and profiles. In the center is the plus button where you can create your pin, which is going to be the images or videos, and the board if you wanted to create multiple pins at once. All right. Now, if you want to create the pin, and of course, just select the picture that you wanted to upload or video to start creating your pin. Now, on the board, however, if you wanted again to post multiple pins like videos and images, just click on the board, and what will happen is you would be able to see all the pins that you have currently posted on these on your account. All right, so it could be a lot of images or the pins that you have searched here on the platform. The boards are, of course, the compilation of the pins that you have selected for your preferences or your ideas. And of course, for example, you are exploring range of categories like home decor, fashion, recipes, and more. So you can browse to all of these contents like this one to see what interests and that align with the latest pins that you can see on the board. When you go to the home page again and you hover to the bottom right corner, that is going to be your profile icon, wherein you can access all the settings that you wanted. For example, you have the account management, the profile visibility. We have a separate video if you wanted to make your private profile private or your profile public. You might want to check that on our channel. You also have the home feed tuner, and we also have a separate video on how to use the home feed tuner. Just check on our channel, please, and subscribe. You have the social permissions, notifications, privacy, and data, and there's a lot that you can explore here on Pinterest. Now, one of the cool things about the dashboard is that you see, when you search for, let's say, travel blogs here for Norway, you have an option to share this multimedia option here. This one to social media, you can visit, you can save, and of course, there's a lot that you can explore here in the Pinterest platform. Similarly, the idea is you can create your own pins. And when you create your pins, you can engage with the Pinterest community. And of course, when you engage with the users by liking and commenting in their pins, for example, this one, you can simply add a comment right here. on their pins. And of course, you can also share their pins or boards with others via email or social media. That would engage you and of course would multiply your networks here on the social media platforms using the Pinterest. Now, you see, when you go and familiarize yourself with the dashboard, you have an option here with the feed layout options. You have the wide. If you don't want that, you can use the standard, and of course you can use the compact. It's all up to your preferences. You can also check on the favorites. Your favorite pins will show up here. You can select the star or your saved pin to add it to your favorites. You can also have an option by the boards. You can have a group. You can invite people to collaborate on a specific board, like if you're working as a freelancer, working for a company, your boss, your company, and a lot more. You can share ideas, make plans, and organize your group board together. You can invite collaborators by clicking this button. And what will happen is you need to choose a board and create a board, all right? Now, in the secret tab, you can keep track of what inspires you, because boards help you organize the pins you save into collections. And of course, we have a separate video on the different types of boards that you can explore here on the Pinterest. And similarly, if you have like blogs or businesses, you can apply for rich pins, which include extra information about your content. Similarly, the feature of the Pinterest tools lets you take a photo of something and find similar items or ideas in Pinterest. Regularly check notifications or updates on your pins, comments, or new followers. And of course, you can also explore trending topics and popular pins to stay updated with the latest ideas and inspiration. And again, if you go to your settings here at the top left corner, you see you can go to your account settings to manage your privacy preferences, like who can see your pins and boards, because I believe that Pinterest is all about creativity, inspiration, and do not be afraid to explore and experiment. Enjoy curating your boards and discovering new ideas. If you encounter any problems along the way using the Pinterest tools, features, and its platform, just hover again to your profile. You have the option to check the help center. There are so many topics that could give you supplemental information on how to leverage the platform. You can also create and earn money using the Pinterest platform, which we are going to explore in the next video, upcoming videos right here. But for now, let's stick on the how to use your Pinterest. It's a very straightforward process. It's a really creative tool to inspire and follow your passion. You can connect and collaborate and share and find and follow people along the way. All right. And I believe that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.